In 2025, the world has become increasingly interconnected, and technological advancements have opened up numerous opportunities for earning passive income. The concept of earning money while you sleep is no longer just a dream. It's a reality, and you don't need to be an expert in business or finance to take advantage of it. Whether you're looking to diversify your income streams, build long-term wealth, or achieve financial freedom, passive income is the key to unlocking these goals. Here are some of the best and most reliable passive income ideas that work in 2025. 1. Investing in dividend stocks. One of the most tried and true methods for building a passive income stream is by investing in dividend stocks. Dividend-paying companies distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders, often on a quarterly basis. These payments can be reinvested or used as a source of income, allowing you to grow your wealth steadily over time. How it works: you invest in stocks from well-established companies that have a proven history of paying dividends. As a shareholder, you receive regular dividend payments, typically every quarter or annually, as a return on your investment. Why it works: dividend stocks provide a reliable source of passive income that can be used for reinvestment or as a steady cash flow. Over time, with the power of compounding, reinvesting dividends can accelerate your wealth-building efforts. Dividend stocks are relatively easy to manage, and you can adjust your portfolio as needed to optimize returns. 2. Create an online course. If you have expertise in a particular subject, whether it's related to business, art, technology, or personal development, creating an online course is an excellent way to generate passive income. The global demand for e-learning has been increasing, and platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Coursera make it easy to publish and sell your courses to a global audience. How it works: choose a topic you are knowledgeable about and create a comprehensive course that teaches others about it. Upload the course to an e-learning platform where you can monetize it. Once the course is created, it will continue to sell automatically as long as the platform is live. Why it works: after creating the course, it requires minimal maintenance, and you can earn income on autopilot as people continue to enroll. The scalability of online courses is tremendous, as the content can be sold to thousands or even millions of people globally. You can continuously update the course or create new modules to increase its value and attract more students. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing has been a leading source of passive income for years, and it continues to be a great way to earn money without creating your own product. By promoting third-party products or services on your blog, YouTube channel, social media, or website, you can earn a commission whenever someone makes a purchase using your affiliate link. How it works: sign up for affiliate programs from brands or companies that offer products you believe in or align with your audience's interests. Promote these products through blog posts, social media, YouTube videos, or newsletters. Whenever someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Why it works: affiliate marketing allows you to earn money without the hassle of product creation, inventory management, or customer service. It is highly scalable. The more content you produce, the more opportunities you have to earn commissions. You can continue earning from your affiliate links long after the content has been published. 4. Rental income from real estate. Real estate has long been a cornerstone of wealth building and remains one of the most effective passive income streams. Whether you're interested in residential, commercial, or vacation rental properties, real estate offers the potential for consistent cash flow, property appreciation, and tax advantages. How it works: purchase a property and rent it out to tenants, collecting monthly rent payments. The rent payments provide a steady stream of passive income, and the property may appreciate over time, allowing you to sell it for a profit in the future. Why it works: real estate offers both income through rent and potential for capital appreciation. With the right property and location, rental income can become a reliable source of passive income. You can hire a property management company to handle the day-to-day operations, making it a truly hands-off investment. 5. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer P2P lending is an innovative way to earn passive income by lending money to individuals or businesses in exchange for interest payments. P2P platforms connect borrowers with lenders and eliminate the need for banks, making it a great way to earn higher interest rates compared to traditional savings accounts. How it works: sign up with a P2P lending platform such as Lending Club, Prosper, or Funding Circle. Lend money to borrowers who are looking for personal or business loans. Earn interest on the loan payments, which are typically paid monthly. Why it works: P2P lending allows you to earn attractive returns, often higher than traditional investment vehicles like bonds or savings accounts. By diversifying across multiple loans, you can reduce risk and create a steady income stream. Once you lend the money, it requires little management, making it a passive investment. 6. products. Create a mobile app. If you have technical skills or can partner with someone who does, creating a mobile app can be a fantastic way to generate passive income. Once the app is developed and published on the App Store or Google Play, you can monetize it through in-app purchases, ads, or subscription models. How it works. Develop an app that solves a specific problem or provides entertainment or value to users. Monetize the app through ads, in-app purchases, or a subscription model. Once the app is built, it can generate income as long as people continue to use it. Why it works. Mobile apps have the potential to reach millions of users, and you can continue to earn from them as long as they remain popular. With the right app, you can create a highly scalable passive income stream that generates revenue every day. 7. Sell digital products. If you're a creative type, selling digital products such as ebooks, printables, stock photos, or design templates is an excellent way to earn passive income. The beauty of digital products is that once they are created, they can be sold an unlimited number of times without additional effort on your part. How it works. Create a digital product like an ebook, template, or printable design. List it on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website. Promote your products through social media, email newsletters, or your website to attract customers. Why it works. After creating the product, the work is done and it can generate income indefinitely. Digital products are easy to scale, and once created, they require minimal ongoing effort to sell. Platforms like Etsy and Gumroad handle the payment processing, so you can focus on creating more products. 8. Automated dropshipping. Dropshipping allows you to run an online store without handling the physical inventory. With automated dropshipping, you can set up an online store, partner with suppliers, and allow them to ship products directly to customers. Once your store is set up, the process becomes largely automated, requiring very little day-to-day management. How it works. Set up an online store using a platform like Shopify. Partner with suppliers who will fulfill the orders directly to your customers. Automate marketing, order processing, and customer service to run the business with minimal intervention. Why it works. Drop shipping eliminates the need for inventory management and fulfillment, making it one of the easiest ways to earn passive income online. The business can be scaled by increasing the number of products or expanding into different niches. 9. License your photos or art. If you're a photographer or artist, licensing your work on platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Getty Images can provide a consistent stream of passive income. Once your work is uploaded and listed, you earn royalties whenever someone purchases or downloads your content. How it works. Upload your photos, designs, or artwork to stock image websites. License your content for sale and earn royalties each time it is downloaded or purchased. Why it works. Your work can continue to earn money for years without needing to create new content for every sale. Licensing allows you to earn income passively while you focus on creating more content or pursuing other ventures. Conclusion. In 2025, there are more opportunities than ever to earn passive income and create financial independence. Whether you invest in stocks, create digital products, or explore real estate, the potential to build wealth passively is within reach for anyone who is willing to put in the effort up front. The key is to choose the right method that aligns with your skills, interests, and resources, and to remain patient as your passive income stream grows over time. Start now, and in the years to come, you'll be glad you took action.